So we have a problem called FOB, which is fats, oils and greases, and that can be a heavy build-up if you don't have a trap in place. It's very good for kitchens because, as we know, we do get large build-up of fats, oils and greases.
So we specified the Greaseshield 1500 because, well, recently we've been working very closely with Greaseshield. We find that now you have to have a grease trap within your commercial kitchen. The Greaseshield ticks all the boxes. This size was spec'd due to the size of the dishwasher. So there's different models available out there, but we chose this one for the setup. And what it really does is, no one likes a job of cleaning out a grease trap. The old manual way of lifting out the trap and you'd get all the grease all over and you'd have to manually clean it out every day. Everybody's nightmare. Whereas the Greaseshield, what you can do is, it's got an automatic cleaning system. So it separates the grease throughout the night, puts it into a trap tray automatically. That gets cleaned really easily. Comes with a hose on there. You can clean it all out nice and steady, and just keeps things practical and clean really.